So Paul, he is a very special individual. He set Valley Veterans up around about 20 years ago, and it started like all good things do, very, very small in his back garden. Until now, we run this community centre, welcoming about 80 people through the door every week. He was a Falkland Island veteran, so he suffered very, very badly with PTSD, which is why he set this up as a self-help group. And on top of that, then he's been battling stage 4 cancer. But despite all of that, he's been able to help others.
When I came back from the Falklands, I didn't realise I had a problem. I had to go right down to be brought back up. You've got to go through that to understand. But if you can give any help then to anybody else, what a difference that can make. They feel as if they belong again because they're with a couple of guys. When I needed help, there was no one there. PTSD didn't exist. I was meeting guys from the Second World War, and they've carried it all their lives. They wouldn't talk about what they went through or whatever, and it changes them. But now having a look at what's gone on since I've started all this is amazing. I've been nominated for the Community Champion Award, and I feel so proud because it shows that what I'm doing is doing right.